Here's the slides, and this is the adjustment bar. You want the adjustment bar pointing, let's see here, down, so you pull up to slide back. And this just pops into place like that. And then these go mounted to these holes here. And then it's a game of adjusting it while trying to get bolts in.
So we're gonna put a bolt here, and I gotta get this one out.
Yeah. You gotta get this one up though, too.
Wait.
Yeah, get that one up.
Okay, we're good.
Yeah, so you have to get this all the way down before you can slide it back and do the other side, right? What are you doing there, Steve?
Every good shop needs a bucket of bolts. So
all you got to do to get a really good bolt collection is take apart a Land Cruiser.
And order a tub from Aqualoop.
That's right, those guys hooked you up with a lot of bolts.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready. Central America. You have the ability to build a little storage compartment under here.
Nice.
Then they also tilt all the way forward. So if you're using like a MOLLE system like we are for seat covers, then you can be standing outside your vehicle, roll it forward, and get to all your gear.
I even saw that.
Sheel-mann offers are heated seats, which a little too warm for us in Central America, but maybe someday we'll upgrade. And then they also have optional armrests. So if you're driving long distance like we are, we're going to be using those quite a bit.
Sweet.
That's an upgrade. My buns are going to be happy.